Hi, Susie Brown with Reese Nichols Real Estate. Just wanted to show you this lovely home in Eudora, Kansas in the Shadow Ridge subdivision. It has lots of updates and upgrades, all with no HOA fees. Let's take a look. You enjoyed your tour at this wonderful 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home in Eudora, Kansas. If you'd like more information or would like to schedule a private showing, please reach out. I'd love to help you.